Hi, I am the awful chef. I gotta eat, so I better cook something. And boy, I'm telling you, under this Omicron, COVID, Klingon, 999, whatever we're up to thingy, uh, the fact that I gotta eat is the only thing that's keeping me cooking. So, what do I mean? Well, last night I made a magnificent dinner. Everything came out perfectly. And it tasted like the inside of a tractor tire. And I mean that literally, it did. I grew up in a place with a lot of tractors. We had a lot of tractor tires for kids to play in. I know what it smelled like, and it was awful. And that's exactly what last night's dinner tasted like. Even though everything was perfect, the tastes were great, it was all in my nose because I keep smelling a tire fire. So, gee, let's make some more good food. Okay. Tonight's dinner is so easy you're not going to believe this. You will not believe that this can be dinner. But it can be. It's also been called the world's best soup. So, what do we need? Well, you need a piece of bread. You'll notice a piece of heavily toasted French bread. There is a divot in the middle. And we will need that later. It is in an oven-proof ramekin. You can use a soup bowl for this, but I'm using an oven-proof ramekin because I'm going to put this under the broiler. So, the official name is Suppa Pavese. Pardon my Italian, I am not saying that at all properly. I am not Italian, and I do not claim to be. I'm borrowing a recipe. Thank you very much. So, tricks. That's an egg in a small glass. So, when I show you this, you're just going to laugh. Behind me on the stove is a pot of chicken stock. I will not join you in a drink tonight because I'm not going to drink a raw egg. I have a pot of boiling chicken stock. Yes, it is boiling. Because I've got that chef thing going on, I of course sauteed some onions for about 10 minutes, then a little bit of baby carrots, just a couple of those. They last forever in the fridge. Half a stalk of celery, a little bit of garlic cut up chunky, all of that in butter with salt and pepper, a bay leaf, and that's about it. Yeah, I think that ought to do it. So, I got an egg, I got bread, very toasted. I got chicken stock behind me. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I got Parmesan. Always got to have Parmesan. If you're not doing the chicken stock, do Parmesan. So here's our magic. The egg goes on the bread. It's sort of an inverse egg drop soup. Instead of dropping the egg into the soup, I'm going to put the soup onto the egg. Oh yeah, there's a little white wine in the stock too. So here we go. The blisteringly hot stock is indeed cooking the egg. As it sits there, and a very dry piece of toast, yes, is absorbing the wonderful stock. You see the vegetables I've added. I have to turn that around or I'm going to wash the egg off the toast, which is not what I'm after today. Okay, you can see that the egg has firmed up quite a bit. in the blistering hot stock. Look, bubbles. Yes, the egg is effectively cooked now. So if you do not have an oven-proof ramekin, sprinkle some Parmesan on top and enjoy. I'm going to put this under the broiler for a couple minutes. I like mine a little more cooked. And then I will cover it with Parmesan and enjoy it that way. Yeah, dinner. Egg, bread, chicken stock. Suppa Pavese, I don't know. I'm sorry. I apologize for that. Also known as one of the world's best soups. That's dinner. Hopefully, it won't taste like the inside of a tractor tire. It doesn't smell like one tonight, so that's a good thing. Oh yeah, sorry. Don't forget to subscribe. YouTube has rules. It's social media after all. Blah, blah. Please subscribe.